सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दिया हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सोचा भी मुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में दिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा तू सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Good morning, all of you. Today we are gathering here to celebrate Independence Day of India. We all know that India got independence on 15 August 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got our all fundamental rights in our own nation, our motherland. We all should feel proud to be an Indians and admire our fortunes that we took birth on the land of India. History of slaves India reveals everything that how an ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal favors of Britishers. We cannot imagine by sitting here that's how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifice of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. Some of the great freedom fighters of India are Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Rajguru, Sahadev, and many of the freedom fighters. They are famous patriots who struggled hard for the freedoms of India till the end of their life. We cannot imagine the horrible movement struggle by our forefathers. Now, after many years of independence of our country is on the right track of development. Today, our country is a well-established democratic country all over the world. Gandhiji was the great leader of the who taught us about effective way of freedoms like ahimsa and satyagraha methods. Gandhiji dreamed of an independent India with some non-violence and peace India. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizen of tomorrow India. We should sincerely perform our duty and do work to get the goal and successfully lead the democratic nation. India is our mother country and we are its citizen. We should always be ready to save it from the bad.